guys, this is Ashish, and in this video we will doing the review and also the sound test of this FND F210X, which is a kind of a Bluetooth speaker which comes with a one subwoofer and two satellite speakers. One is here and one is here, and it all comes with this full function remote control over here. And we have all options for you can see Bluetooth over here. Let me show you Bluetooth, USB, FM, aux. This comes with this type of options. So we can play a song wirelessly. Right now I am playing my song with this pen drive USB. So we will doing the sound test. So let's get started with our sound test. I will play from here. Now we will increase the volume of this speakers via this full function remote. Uh, this is how it sounds. It is sufficient for a room or one 2 BHK flat or all. So this gives very good sound in my opinion, and this cost only 2000 rupees. And I bought this from Snapdeal, so you can also buy it. The good thing is that this comes with this Bluetooth, so you don't have to plug in your device with this aux cable, but we have option for aux cable too. We have also FM radio with this, so lots of option for this price in this price point. And the bass is good. We can also increase or decrease bass from the rear. We have an option for that also. So what do you think about this speaker? Do comment in the comment section. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe right now. This is Ashish signing off. Thank you for now. Goodbye.